This week, improve organization of companies, contacts, tasks, and conversations. Hi everyone, I'm Braedon Gaudet, an account executive here at Vendasta. I help partners get their businesses set up so they can scale and grow seamlessly. Let's get started. At our most recent Vendasta Connect event held this past November, Inbox Pro's AI-assisted web chat lead capture was launched to help you and your clients capture and connect with new leads. It's been fantastic to see the web chat widget helping local businesses make great first impressions. This success has seen the number of conversations stored within a business inbox expand significantly, which makes it harder to focus on the conversations that need attention. A good problem to have, but this update will help you differentiate conversations that are in progress and need attention from conversations that have already been handled. Instead of having to scroll through all conversations, including old resolved ones, spam, and conversations with deleted contacts, you can now close conversations to remove them from the main inbox view for both you and your teammates. They're still accessible in the closed view, and if a message is received or sent into a closed conversation, it automatically reopens so there's no need to worry that a message might be missed. This is available in Inbox Pro in Business app and Inbox in Partner Center. The team is also continuously expanding the AI capabilities of Inbox Pro, and they've added a rating system to gauge the quality of responses generated by the AI-assisted web chat. When reviewing web chat conversations, you and your clients can rate the AI responses as helpful or not helpful and also add a comment. Our team will review the feedback to identify opportunities to improve how the chat widget behaves. The more feedback we receive, the smarter we can make the AI-assisted web chat that is helping your clients make a great first impression and capture new leads. The new CRM in Partner Center was also launched at November's Vendasta Connect to help you manage customer relationships more efficiently and effectively. The team is continuously adding more functionality to the CRM to make it increasingly easier for you and your team to close new clients and expand existing relationships. And I'm excited to take you through quite a few new things you can try today. First up is task queues. Your sales team is probably using sales tasks in the CRM to log their to-dos for each prospect or customer account they're managing. To see which tasks are outstanding, they might filter their account list to show only those with active tasks. Open all of them in separate tabs and then close them one by one until all tasks are completed. It gets the job done, but there's a better way, and it's called task queues. Your salesperson can now filter a dedicated task list by the tasks they need to complete for the day and select Start Tasks. This will bring them directly to the profile page of the contact or company associated with the first task. As they finish each task, they can mark it as completed and automatically be taken to the next one. Need to reschedule one? They can do so right here and continue on to the next task in the queue. Next up in our queue of updates are some new additions to the company and contact pages. When creating new contacts directly from a company's profile page, you can include details like job title and LinkedIn URL. Not only can you add tags to a contact and facilitate organizations and define a contact's association with a company, you can edit those tags directly from this page. Note that contacts with the most labels will be listed at the top. For the company itself, you can go ahead and capture social profile URLs too. Facebook, X, Instagram, and LinkedIn all have dedicated fields. You can now run automations directly from a company's profile page. You'll find the Automations tab in the right-hand column. It'll show you the 5 most recent automations you've run for that company. And you can click Start Automation to choose a new one from the full list. If a customer has been with you for a while, they might have worked with several members of your team over time. The activity timeline on a company's profile now includes the assigned salesperson history for easy reference. You'll see both the assigned salesperson and who made the update. Speaking of activities, when you want to associate a contact with an activity, you'll now see contact's email listed below their names to help you select the right person. This is available in the Business App CRM too. There are 3 main tables in the CRM, one for companies, one for contacts, and one for tasks. You can choose to view 25, 50, or 100 rows at a time, and your selection will now be saved and auto-applied on your next viewing. Your clients can enjoy this update in the Business App CRM too. Over in Pipeline, renaming a new opportunity is a cinch. When viewing an opportunity's details in the pipeline, its name can be edited right here. Lots of small but impactful updates that will reduce the administrative burden on your sales team and help them focus on the right companies, contacts, and tasks to build relationships and grow revenue. To improve visibility on sales performance, let's head over to Premium Reports for a moment. Where in the Sales Activity by Salesperson report, you can now differentiate inbound calls and emails from outbound sales activities to help you zero in on what's working well and where there are opportunities for improvement. Soon you'll be able to drill into that data and see the companies and contacts behind it. Local SEO's Google Insights dashboard makes it easy to monitor which search terms a business shows up well for on Google, how people are engaging with a Google business profile, and overall traffic levels, which provides insights into a business's SEO and the keywords that help them get found. Until recently, the graphs representing traffic and interaction data showed the current reporting period the same as any other, meaning performance would appear as if it had dropped, when really it was just showing an incomplete period. Now, the current period is displayed with a dotted line to differentiate it as partial data that will continue to change until the period is complete. To further help you analyze your Google Insights, you can also get different views of the data by zooming in and out on the graphs, and export the graphs as SVGs, PNGs, or CSVs. Social campaigns are a hugely important part of any local business's marketing strategy today. But before AI, it was also a huge time-consuming burden. AI has brought incredible efficiency to the planning and execution of social marketing campaigns, and our team continues to improve the AI functionality in social marketing to further improve the experience for you and your clients. Let's check out this latest workflow update. When you arrive in the Social Marketing Pro Composer, you're greeted by this beautiful AI banner. Click on it to get AI-crafted text and imagery. If you want to edit that text or your own, then Edit with AI button is right here. And this all works in multi-location Business App too. When selecting multiple accounts in the Composer, just make sure that all chosen accounts have Social Marketing Pro to access the AI functionality. Creating and editing with AI to put forward just the right content for any business or occasion is so quick and simple now. And there is more to come, as our team continues to incorporate the latest AI innovations to assist you and your clients. And there we have it. Go check these updates out and let us know what you think. As always, you'll find a full recap of this week's releases in the changelog on roadmap.vendasta.com. Until next time, have an awesome day.